Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a grandfather clock with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a 2x3 plate right in the bottom center stud, a 1x1 plate, and a 1x1 flat tile. I'm going to make sure that these are all lined up. Then I'm going to take a 1x1 brick with two opposing studs, place this right in the back where the studs are facing outward, followed by a 1x1 by 2/3 squashed brick or plate, depends on how you want to call that, and another 1x1 brick with two opposing studs. Now I want to surround both sides off with a set of 2x3 flat tiles, and this will straighten this out. Now this reddish brown should be new enough so we don't have to worry about that breaking as we're building. I would have had these reddish brown, but I already broke one trying to make this tutorial. For the upper portion of our clock, start with a 2x2 modified plate with two studs. I'm going to slip in a pair of 1x3 jumper plates right underneath. So we have this nice hangover. Now for the clock face, I'm going to take a 1x2 by 1 2/3 brick with 8 studs. I'm going to crown this off with a warm gold 2x2 plate, and let's place a clock face. Now you can use any style of clock face you choose. We'll set that right down there. And we got to be careful because that is reddish brown. We don't want that to break. Then we're going to set the clock right here, right on top of these two studs. And we're going to wrap around the clock with a set of 2x2 flat tiles. We're going to flip this on its back for a little pendulum. I'm going to start with a 1x1 plate. I'm going to stick one of these weird pieces that's in warm gold. Stick that right in the side of there. Make sure this thing is sticking out. I want to have this side here facing towards the outside, and I'm going to make sure this is straight. Place this right in the middle, right in this area. Now we're going to place the top of our clock right in between the 2x3 plates where it snaps on this stud on the back to complete the grandfather clock.